Hello everyone, welcome to this AgentLab video. In this video, I'm going to take you through admin settings which are very important for you to set up your platform. So let's say you have recently bought AgentLabs. Now you want to set up. After the installation, log into your admin panel. So as you can see, admin will also get access to users as a user also. So don't get confused. Okay, quickly, your first step is to go to settings. Now you can see here all the green, green color shades. Here also you see everything is connected, but in your case it will be red. So how you can do that? First thing is you should connect your ElevenLabs if you want to use ElevenLabs, engine. If you don't want to use ElevenLabs, simply ignore this, add Twilio and your OpenAI credentials for embedding in rack system. This is very important, and make sure your API for this and your API for here should be different. However, the process of creating OpenAI API is same. Just create two different APIs. Coming back to here, so let's say you want to add ElevenLabs. Just click manage keys. System will take you to the ElevenLabs system. First, create an API and add it here. If you get a green signal, that means API is working fine. Then copy this URL and add it to your ElevenLabs system. I'll quickly show you how you can add. Go to here, select webhook, create new, just name it anything. Create your webhook URL here, select this, then create click. You will get a code. Just copy that code and paste it here and then click save here. Okay, after doing this, your ElevenLab will be ready to start using as a call engine. But before that, you have also need to add a Twilio API, which is very important. Just copy your Twilio SID and token here and click save. It will be done. So now your first engine is ready, which is ElevenLabs plus Twilio. If you want another agent, which is OpenAI plus Twilio, then you have to enable this option. If you want Plivo, the Indian for Indian numbers, you have to enable this. But merely enabling won't make it work. You have to add your keys as well. You can add your Plivo keys here. Then you can sync your numbers from this section, like I have did, and your all three engines will be ready to use. So guys, please make sure you add keys properly. We have a documentation included in the package. Follow that. Be patient and take your time to set these things, because these are the important things to have. Now I'll answer very important thing, because for some users are getting confused about what max concurrency we should set and what is assign agents. So assign agents means how many agents you want to handle by this single key. There is no hard rule. You can keep it 100, you can keep it 1000 as well, as per your load. That depends how much clients you are getting on board. Let's say you are getting 100 clients only and you are only targeting quality clients, then make it 100. If you are targeting open it in the market, like whosoever is coming can use it, then make it 500 to even 1000. This is a very important concurrency limit, because OpenAI and ElevenLabs both have limitations on that. I'll suggest to keep it 10 and keep adding more and more APIs of different account to have a good load system. Okay, this is how API pool system will work for OpenAI also and for ElevenLabs here also. Right, we have a multiple API pool system which works as a load balancer. I hope it is clear now. Okay, now there are few more settings in master, which is platform settings, platform branding. So this is name, tagline, email, your logo. This is very important to set up. Without doing this, don't ever market your platform, because you won't get emails. If anybody will send you a contact us page form, you won't receive it. Second important thing is SMTP details. It is very, very, very important. Please set it up and make sure you get this message here. After that, you can set these things. These are very important and self-explanatory. Just go to I button and you will get the explanation. KYC is another important module. If you want, see, every country has a very strict calling rules, right? So we wanted to make sure that you guys don't get into any illegality. So enable this option. Let your customers upload their KYC documents so that you are on the safe side. Now this is a demo call widget. We will create a new video on this. However, this is very self-explanatory. This is a duration, how many seconds your customer on the website visitor can have it. 60 seconds is a very decent time. Don't increase it, else your credits will be utilized. Cooldown period is how many minutes your customer should wait for the next call. It shouldn't be get misused, so keep it 5 minutes. Concurrent, how many concurrent sessions it can have at the same time. So I've put it 7. Just you don't need to save it anything, right? Just, and this is a saved. This is getting saved like this. Okay. So this is how it works. This is invoice setting. You can have a prefix and a starting number. Now ElevenLabs we have already discussed. SEO module is self-explanatory. You can use it. We have implemented this widely in the website as much as we can. You can add a sitemap. You can have a robot. You can have a social graph. You can have a structured data. Okay. And analytics is again something which is you can add like Google tag. You can add any custom script. We support many. Okay. And system settings again is very important for admin to start. So before you market your platform, before you get into anything, before you raise a ticket to us for any issues, make sure you have set it out the whole global settings properly. These are self-explanatory. We have given an info button here. You can see what it says. Please be patient and read it carefully. You can also read the documentation. We have mentioned everything there. These 2 buttons should be used in the initial process only. Once you have set up all the APIs, click this to make sure your webhooks are working perfectly. If you will hit them after some time, let's say you have 100 customers, 1000 of calls, then your system is going to take a lot of time. So don't avoid these buttons after your system is in the market. These all are system related settings. Please do not touch them if you don't know anything about server. These are already set by us to make your system work smoothly. Again, don't enable this system if you don't have knowledge about servers, because this is something which is going to save you from embarrassments where your system gets stuck. Your customer will say this system is getting stuck, hang, whatever. So this is a system where your whole application will get a smooth restart if any process got stuck in between. Okay, you can read this section here to know more about this auto restart behavior. Okay, I hope you have understand the whole global setting now. After that, I've already explained voice AI. Communication is something which is important, because if you don't reach out to your customer, things won't work in your favor. So we have already added notifications and in-app notifications. Make sure you get this green tick here, and you can choose which template you want to send to your customer. It's self-explanatory. You can see. You can also edit a template, but make sure you edit very wisely, because if something gets wrong, your template won't be able to send, or maybe it will send it in a wrong format. This is in-app notification, which you can send anytime to your customer. You can choose icon, you can title, message, even you can add a URL, bell icon, medium, expiration date, whether it can be closed or it will be a strict notice, and you can send it to all users. Then we have call monitoring, which I've already explained in previous videos. You can monitor your calls. Then we have batch job system. This is for campaigns. If your customers are running a lot of campaigns, keep a watch here. If something is getting filled, do check your PM2 logs. It will help you out. So billing is another very important section, because don't start using your user side without setting up your billing. You can support, we support multiple currencies, but before that you have to enable your payment gateways. Once you create the keys, make sure you enable it from here, then you will see all the currencies here. Your plan will get auto sync with all the payment gateways we have created. We have integrated all the APIs from plan sync to execution to even refund also. Okay, and you can also choose which LLM you want to give it as free and which is for pro users, right? Then you can also set credit packages. Make sure you add value against all currencies until unless they will not be visible to customers. In transaction, you can see all the transaction of the platform happening, refunds, the successful transactions, the list of them, the invoices, you can download them. Even you can view and you can refund. This has been already refunded, so you can see our previous videos for this, right? Then you can download all the invoices from here. You can download as zip also as per date range, and you can also do check a refund notes here, customers who have received refunds. So this is a complete system, guys. You have to set up it rightly to make it working. I hope you like this video. If you have any question, please write down on the comment or go to item page or raise a ticket. Make sure you always share your PM2 logs, because that will help us to know the exact issue. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it.